Hey guys, it's Tiffany from supereasymath.com. Today's math problem of the day says a circular throwing disc has a diameter of 23 centimeters. What is its circumference? Well, first of all, I need to know the formula to calculate the circumference of a circle, and that is C equals 2 pi r. Well, now I'm going to plug in what I know. They gave me the diameter of the circle, but I need the radius, so I'm just going to half that number. 23 halved is 11.5. So C equals 2 pi times 11.5. And to clarify that I'm multiplying here, I just put it in parentheses. Now I'm going to multiply my two numbers, not the pi part, because that's a little weird. 2 times 11.5 actually gets us back to the 23. So it's 23 pi. However, getting back to the 23 is purely a coincidence this time. That's not typically what happens. It happens to be that way because the number here happened to be 2, and we had to half the diameter, so then you just kind of like undid that. Now, you could leave your answer like that, or you could write it as circumference equals 72.22 centimeters. Okay, because when you're talking about a length, I guess you do want to have an actual number, and this isn't like squared or anything like that. But true, this is a more exact answer with that pi. So the reason I explain this is because if you actually had to like cut a rope or some kind of liner to go around that disc, and you need to calculate their circumference. If you told your friend that the circumference of that disc was 23 pi centimeters, they would look at you like you're crazy. So you need like an actual amount. So multiplying it out kind of like makes sense in this case, 72.22 centimeters. Because you might actually need that number so you can cut the length of something. Here's tomorrow's math problem of the day. See if you can solve it before I do, but don't forget to head over to supereasymath.com where you can get my top 5 math tips to make learning math easy.